Right, so this is what's happened, and the inner CV joint and it's completely knackered up. These are meant to move, but not as moving as freely and easily as they are, and they're moving a lot further out really than I think they should. But you see there's little wear marks in there as well. So what I've done is new suspension leg, new coil springs and new two top strut mounts, new vertical link and drop link for the anti-roll bar, and in there you'll see the anti-roll bar there, new bushes in the anti-roll bar both sides. So that's all out. That's the problem at the moment. The CV joint is being able to get that out the gearbox. You need a special tool with a slide hammer to try and get one. I've got one ordered on eBay, and that's just the box that the bushes came in, and that there is the new bottom ball joint that's been fitted onto it now, and it's got new wheel bearings in it. So just waiting now, and I've got a brand new shaft in the shed which will completely replace that totally. So that's as it is at the moment.